Hello dear students, I am Priyanka and in today's class we are going to discuss about partnership firm. Dear students, we have already discussed the other forms of business organizations like sole proprietorship and Hindu undivided family or joint Hindu family business. You will get all those videos on my channel. You have to visit my channel and you have to watch the complete video, otherwise you will not come to know. If you skip some parts, then you'll get half knowledge. That's why you have to go to my channel and you have to watch the complete video so that you'll come to know each and every concept in detail. Okay, you should not miss minute things also, because the questions may come in fill in the blanks, match the following. When you are having the knowledge, then only you can solve such questions. Otherwise, in descriptive or in big questions, lengthy questions, you can explain by yourself. But when they ask in fill in the blanks or match the followings, you must have the thorough knowledge. That's why you should watch the complete video. So, we have already covered sole proprietorship and Hindu undivided family business. Now, we are discussing about partnership firm. What all we have to discuss in this? We have to discuss meaning, definition, features, merits, demerits, and types of partnerships, types of partners. All these things we have to discuss. First of all, you have to understand the meaning. See, what is the difference between meaning and definition? They'll ask in the exam, define partnership or define sole proprietorship. If anything is asked for definition, you have to write the name of the act or name of the person who has given that particular definition. Then only you will get the marks. You cannot write in your own words. But in case of meaning, you can write in your own words. That's why I always give a suggestion to students, and when I was a student, I used to do like that. I used to by heart the definition. You have to memorize the definition, then that definition only you can write for meaning also. You'll get the marks. But if you memorize the meaning and then if you write that for definition, you will not get the marks. Understood? That's why always go for the definition first, memorize and by heart the definition, and same without the name of act or the person, you can write with some slight changes in your own words for meaning also. Understood? First of all, partnership firm, what is the definition? While writing the definition, as I have told you, you have to write the name of act. As per Partnership Act 1932. Okay? As per Partnership Act Indian Partnership Act 1932 defines the Partnership Act as the relationship between, it is a relation between the persons who have agreed to share the profit of the business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Here, relation between persons. I have missed a word here, between. While writing the definition, you cannot change a word also. You have to write word by word same. Simple. It is a relation between the persons who have agreed to share the profits of the business. In this definition, they have given only profit. You have to write profit only. But in partnership business, you share profit as well as losses also. Carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. What is the meaning of this? Means what? One member or one partner may be acting for all. He may be taking all the responsibilities or he may be doing work for all the partners, or all may be actively participating. Both the cases are available in partnership firms. Understood? What is the meaning of this? If 4 partners are there, only one person, one partner is acting for all. He is taking the responsibility. He is representing other members. This is also possible, and sometimes all may be actively participating in day-to-day activities as well as decision making. Understood? In your own words you can write the meaning, but while writing the definition you have to write as per Indian Partnership Act 1932 or any other definitions which you may feel easy. But name of the author, name of the act is must in case of definition. Otherwise, you will not get the marks. Then, what are the features or characteristics? In exam, you will get the question for 4 marks or 8 marks. What are the features of partnership firm? First of all, I have explained you many times. The features, the points are similar in every form of business organization. Means what? While writing the sole proprietorship, you will write formation as a point, but in explanation, you will write that the formation, the decision making of that formation is solely depending upon that proprietor, that individual person. Like this, you will write the explanation, but point is same, formation. But in case of partnership, the explanation would be different, but the points are same. First of all, you have to memorize the points. The points are similar for all the forms of business organizations. 1 or 2 points may be adding, or we may get 1 or 2 points less. Okay. Now, formation. In case of partnership act, in definition only you have written the formation is as per the Indian Partnership Act 1932. This particular business is governed by Indian Partnership Act 1932. In that, you have to agree for some things. That is called as partnership deed. Means you are signing on a document. That document, particular agreement is called partnership deed. In that partnership deed, many points are included, like how many number of partners are there, what is the share of capital of each partner, and how the profit is shared, how the losses would be shared, what is the responsibility, who are the active partners, who are the sleeping partners. You may ask what is active partner, what is sleeping partner. That we will discuss in next classes. Means in types of partners, I will explain you in detail. What do you mean by active partner? What do you mean by inactive or sleeping partner? Understood? But all these things must be specified in partnership deed. Understood? What you have to write in formation? In formation, as per the Partnership Act 1932, we have to form the business, and we have to sign a document or agreement which is called as partnership deed, which includes these all points. Like this we have to write. Second feature is liability. Already I have explained in each and every form of business organization the concept of liability. In case of partnership, liability is unlimited. What do you mean by unlimited liability? If your business assets are not enough to pay the debts of your business, then your personal property will be taken by the bank for the recovery of debt. It is called as unlimited liability. What do you mean by limited liability? Your business property is only taken, means personal property will not be covered when business property is not enough to pay the debts. In case of partnership, the liability is unlimited. Means if your business is in loss and it is unable to pay the debts of bank or any other creditor, then personal property of the partners will be taken to repay the loan of outsiders. Okay, so liability is unlimited in case of all the partners. Then risk bearing. The risk bearing is taken by all. The risk is taken by all. Bearing means what? The capacity of taking the risk. The risk is taken by each and every member. As a team, they are taking the risk. Okay. Any one member is not taking the risk, so he will not have the pressure of that risk. They all are sharing the risk as they are sharing the profits. Then decision making and control. In case of partnership business, the decision is taken with the discussion or with mutual understanding, mutual discussion and mutual consent, we can say. Okay, after the discussion only partners are going to take the decisions. They will take the consent of each and every person. Consent means what? They are taking the opinion of all the partners in case of any decision. Okay, the control is in the hands of all the members or all the partners. The control is not in the hands of any one member as in case of Hindu undivided family. That's why I have told you, you have to visit my channel and watch other videos, because in case of Hindu undivided family, the control was in the hands of Karta only. But here the control is in the hands of all, means everybody is contributing equally to the decision making and control of the business. Then next one is continuity. This point is also explained in case of sole proprietorship as well as Hindu undivided family business. Then explanation is going to change here. As I have told you, in case of partnership firm, the continuity of business is less. The business is not going to be continued in case of death, insolvency or mental instability of any one partner. Why? Because as I have told you in first point, formation, the sole business or entire business is depending upon partnership deed. In that, we have already explained how many members are there, what is the profit sharing ratio, how we are going to bear the risk, how much capital we are going to give to the business. But if one partner dies, the entire ratio is going to change. Understood? That's why we have to enter into a new contract. We have to sign a new partnership deed. That's why continuity in same form is not possible. If you want to continue the business after the death or insolvency of any one partner, you have to enter into a new partnership agreement, new partnership deed. Understood? That's why the continuity, the characteristic or feature of continuity is not available in many partnership firms. Next point is number of partners. How many number of partners are required to start a partnership deed? 2 members are required, minimum 2 members are required and maximum 100 as per Companies Act 2013. In many books you will get the explanation as minimum 2, maximum 10 in case of banking business and 20 in case of other business. And in some books you will get the explanation as minimum 2, maximum 100. This is as per the Companies Act. Don't get confused. 2 and maximum 100 is as per Companies Act 2013. Understood? And minimum 2, maximum 10 in case of banking business, 20 in case of other businesses. This explanation is as per the Partnership Act 1932. Both are correct, but these are as per different acts. Understood? Next one, mutual agency. Mutual agency means what? Any one of them acting for all or all of them acting in business. Understood? In definition only we have explained this. What is the meaning of this? 4 members are there. Out of those 4 members, any one may be actively participating on behalf of other 3 or all may be actively participating. Means mutually they can represent each other. Mutual means what? Any one can work for all or all can work for any one of them. This is called as mutual agency. Okay? That's why first of all you have to by heart the definition as per the Partnership Act 1932 or any other author. Then on the basis of that only you can write all other features. Okay? In next class we are going to discuss about merits and demerits of partnership firm. Thank you.